Did you know you can make lasagna in a frying pan instead of the oven and it tastes just as good? Add a tablespoon of olive oil and saute half an onion until it softens. Add a clove of garlic, 300 grams of ground beef, add salt, oregano, and parsley to taste. Add 400 grams of tomato puree. Plus 100 ml more water I add to the sauce jar. In a large skillet, spread a little bit of the sauce. Add a pasta layer. A little more sauce. Ham, mozzarella, and repeat as many layers as will fit in your skillet. It's important for this recipe to use fresh pasta because it cooks faster. You can use that dry pasta too, but then you'll have to use a thinner sauce. Sprinkle with Parmesan, cover and cook on low for 25 minutes. If you lack a tight-fitting lid to trap steam while cooking pasta, use aluminum foil instead. Add basil. A tip: after turning off the heat, let your lasagna rest covered for 15 minutes. It will remain hot, thicken slightly, and the pasta will reach the right texture. I hope you enjoyed this video, and whenever you like it, leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. Bye!